First of all, we are about to use the database to create tables and other necessary activities. Here I already created tables and inserted some of the values. Here we go to insert some other values for products and orders table to insert values. Here I inserted values for products table and shown the output of the product table with the product ID, name, category ID, price, quantity and supplier ID. Here I inserted created a orders table and describing the attributes of orders as field type order field type null key and default. Here the primary ID is used as primary key, and also inserted the orders values, and its attributes are order ID, order date, customer ID and total amount. Here we showing the values of products table, and we are selecting the products where category ID is equal to 14. It gives the values for where category is equal to 14, and which changed the shirts and pant from to hoodies and track pants. Here we are using subqueries to retrieve product ID, name and price from products using the supplier ID from supplier table. Then we are using joins, inner join to retrieve product ID, name and name from category table using the inner join. As we known already that we are not necessary to describe inner join as inner join, we can use it as also join. And now we are going for left join, retrieving product ID, name, price from products table and name from the supplier table. We are giving products as P and supplier as S. Therefore P dot supplier ID is equal to S dot supplier ID. Then we accessing the data, product ID, name, price and supplier name. Name is given as supplier name, here is shown. Then we are selecting the sum of price from products where category ID is equal to 14 and name like EA percentage. Here this percentage is used to describe that the percentage symbol describes number of categories, number of elements. There will be any number of elements, any characters or any other elements. And here the underscore is used to represent number of elements. Single underscore represents single element, double underscore represents double elements, etc. And select star from products where a name like percentage star E. Percentage star E represents before E number of characters can be unlimited and after E can be only one element. As it shows, the output is below. And then we are accessing the values of supplier table. and then updating the contact email of ID 50 or 75 as at yahoo.com, and at last it changed. Here it is shown, yeah, at yahoo.com for supplier 50. And then we are using case statement. Selecting all elements from supplier when for by using the email and Yahoo of contact email of suppliers. Percentage is used to describe number of elements at gmail.com at yahoo.com. Here the email is represented as email address. The output is shown below. So it gathers all the details from supplier table, and also included a extra table as email address. Represents